Okay, good morning everybody. Welcome to AMES Tools Facebook Live. My name is Mark Wilson. We're here in northeast Atlanta, I guess east of Atlanta. We're doing a residential job site. This is the first Facebook Live for AMES that we've done. So we're gonna be out here. These guys today, they're in their apartments, kind of multi-use. I kind of flip the camera around and show you around. They're working on a project that is, it's got some shops on the bottom floors and apartments on the top. And these are fairly large apartments. You can kind of see they've already taped this unit out. We're going to go downstairs and watch them tape with the Bazooka, the AMES Bazooka. Again, this is our first session with Facebook Live for AMES, and we welcome you to watch. I'm just going to kind of walk downstairs here. You can see this part right here has all been taped out. They're actually using a nail spotter on the screws and using the Bazooka on the joints. So we're just going to walk down. We're on the second floor, so down the steps. Rainy day here in Atlanta. Go down these steps safely. Walk in here and find these guys. And this is a fairly large apartment. Let's see where we're at here. Back again, man. How you doing? Yep, doing good. I think they're in here taping our first video for AMES for Facebook. Here we go. All right, guys. I'm joined by my buddy Ronaldo, Ray. Hey, guys. These guys are filling up. Hey, Ray, good morning.
Good morning.
Yep. Get a little water, hydration.
They are going to start already.
Yeah, nice. Well, while they're stopped, let's ask them a few questions before they start. The name?
Junior.
Junior? Junior, how many years? How many years?
1 year.
1 year, wow. Okay, good stuff. And he's been using AMES tools the whole time? Yeah. And he likes the Bazooka, the machine? Yeah.
He feels like he's more fresh and more comfortable, and he don't break easy.
Okay.
The part don't break easy.
And if he has a problem, if it breaks, how does he?
Cuando se le descompone el asunto, ¿qué es lo que hace? O se ajusta, ¿qué es lo que hace? If they cannot fix it, then they return to the store to exchange for another.
Easy exchange, yeah.
If they get parts to repair the Bazooka,
okay.
some free parts. But if they cannot fix it, they go to the store to get
nice. Okay, so they can exchange it. Easy exchange and get their knives, pans, different things while they're there.
Exactly.
Ah, perfect.
They get everything over there.
Thank you. Thanks, Junior. Yeah, gracias. And
he's the other one.
oh, okay. We got two Bazookas running today, so.
We are going to start to do that.
What's the name?
¿Cómo se llama usted? Alex.
Alex, yeah.
Alex.
And Alex, how many years to finish?
4 years.
4 years? Okay, nice. Any comments about AMES? Anything? AMES tools?
He said that is the best bazooka they can.
The best one?
The best one.
Oh, okay.
So, he can do the same thing. If he get broke, go and fix it or exchange for another one. And
easy in parts. Ah, perfect. Okay, great. Thanks, guys. Oh, perfect. Yeah, thank you so much. Well, we're just going to watch them tape. We'll watch you guys work. So, yeah. We got the guys on stilts, wiping out guys. We got, 3, 4, 5-man crew. So we're just going to watch. Alex taping the ceilings, butt joints, do the walls. Here we go. Just a lot of joints to tape. He's reaching it. Guys are pretty fast. Wiping off the tops on the stilts, and you got to wipe out guy on the bottom. So he's doing his butt joints first, then he does the regular joints. Little joints, yeah, he's flying. Hey Ray,
Yes, sir.
how many rolls of tape they put on in a day?
¿Cuánto vale la tape acá para gastar aquí en todo, en todos los apartamentos? En todos. ¿Cuánto? Como unas 4 cajas y media. Full boxes and half for the 12 apartments.
Wow.
Like 82 rolls.
82 rolls, yeah. So these guys are going to put on 82 rolls of tape today. Very fast, yeah. So they've always used the bazooka, huh, Ray? Yeah. Fast. He's wiping it out behind him. Puts the material and the tape on at the same time. Easy to cut from the floor. Sorry, Ray.
El otro, ay.
So walking around this job, you got to do the joints, the butt joints first, and then the flat joints, the regular joints. You don't tie everything together. They got a nice system. Again, they got two machines going here at the same time. So that's why they go so fast. Filling it up. Got the tape right there. Change the tape out. Nice. Hey Ray, Ronaldo?
Yeah.
I have a question here. Jonathan Tejada is asking a question.
I don't see it.
Nanda con todo Chando.
And so, he say they working very fast.
Yeah.
They go on high speed.
Yeah, that's for
They
sure.
work with everything.
Yeah, so Jonathan,
Like you said.
just translating Jonathan's comment, he's saying these guys are really going at a fast speed. It's very true, Jonathan. These guys are wiping out, running everything out really fast. You hear that bazooka sing. Nice. We'll go here. Let's check on Junior. Where's Junior at? Junior's in here somewhere. He's taping the closet. Yep. Get too close to him in there, but yeah, really fast. He's been doing it for a year, man. He's really good. I don't want to get too crowded in there, so I'll stand back. Tool goes about 80 feet before it runs out. Bazooka, go pretty far. You really go far with the bazooka. All right, my friend. Good job, man. Thank you. They got a good system down here. You can see they've already gone through and done their nail spotter on the screws or the fasteners, and then now they're taping. So they're doing it right. They're going through and catching everything as they go to get the first coat. I'm not going to go in there. It's too crowded. Maybe I can. He's in the closet. Yep. Take a little piece, start on the ceiling. There we go. Nice. Yep. Go right by me here. These guys even walk fast. See a little trick right here. He's doing the bottom on the closet. Watch this next little corner. He pulls the tape down. I'm just going to show you this little trick. He's able to tape everything in this closet. It's a small closet too. You know, getting the tool in there. That one doesn't have a right side, but you can see he's getting every joint in that closet with the bazooka. Very fast. Nice.
Somebody running the nail spotter running.
Oh, okay, yeah. We can watch we'll let these guys kind of get out of their way for a minute. Ray's got the guys over here using the nail spotter, so you can kind of see this being used. It's kind of it goes along with taping. Yeah. How you doing, my friend? Good morning. We're just gonna watch you tape. He's running the nail spotter. He's running the hole. I'm gonna step back so I can not get the sun. He's adapted his nail spotter to an extension handle, and he's just running the whole row. Yep, got to step around this material. Yeah, real easy. Nail spotter is an easy tool to learn. It does a lot of work. You can see the rows, it just fills them in really nice. A little insulation hanging down up there, but yep. Did they go through and tap these in, or the screws are in pretty good, Ray, on this job? Yeah. So they went through. Good job, man. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, so they're just doing the lids right now, the ceilings, not the walls. They're not.
No, not only the ceilings.
Okay. He's mixing up his material. We've got about 8 people out here on this crew. 8.
A la pared no le dan ahorita, ¿verdad? No.
Only the ceilings? Yep. He's going around doing the ceilings. See how fast. He's doing the whole row. See how fast the nail spotter is. It's part of the taping process, so getting everything caught up. So this is a 3-inch AMES nail spotter. This guy likes the grip of the fiberglass pole, so he's adapted his handle to fit on our nail spotter. It just threads right in there, so it's pretty good for him. Nice. Nice. Good, Ray. Well, we can watch a little more and see if they got any questions. Okay. Nobody's asking any questions yet. Anybody put us a question on here, or if you watch this later, send us a question. We definitely respond. Just watching these guys run the bazooka. Really fast. I'll stand back so I don't get in their way. Down there, they got their pump kind of situated. They're just constantly filling up the bazooka. Got another bucket right there ready. Just watch. We'll just watch. Just watch these guys run. Junior's running this thing. He's been running it for a year, so you can see how fast he's gotten in a year. Picking up the bazooka is not that hard. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. How are we doing? So, one of the comments is like the crew that they're how they work. They're kind of spread out. You know, you've got the bazooka guys working, taping, certain rooms, different rooms. They're not all in one room, so they've kind of worked together as a team, doing different things, but spread out. So they're getting a lot done. So that really helps with the production. You know, so this guy's taping butt joints, this guy's taping flat joints. The other guy in the other room's ahead of them doing nail spotting with, you know, get the screw spotting. So they're working as a team, but they're really covering the whole unit. So most of the rooms have somebody in it, and they're moving around in a way that they're really productive. It's very productive the way they're attacking this job. So see how fast. See, to our point, he's doing the butt joints first. He's just going around catching all the stuff that doesn't have a butt joint on it. Just right here. And as he's way ahead of these guys, the wipeout man will be coming in behind him to wipe out. And as soon as he wipes this joint out right here, then they'll come back and run this joint here. I'm not sure, Thane. I'll ask him. We're in Atlanta, east of Atlanta. So a lot of work in Atlanta. I'll ask the question in a minute as soon as I step out of this room. Tool operators, these guys. Yeah. So you see, he's going to come back and run these joints. They're just moving around this project really fast. 2 bazookas. Very fast. Got the ceiling. Hector's wiping out the top. Hey, Ray, it's this guy on here, he wants to know if they're hiring. Are they looking for help?
This guy?
Yeah.
Que si no necesitan a alguien que les venga a ayudar.
See, you can see they're all coming this way, wiping out. Got one in that room. Now we're kind of bunched up here. Probably my fault. They got one in this closet.
They're okay. They say it's 7 guys working right
7.
now, so they don't need any.
Yeah. Well, you know, Thane, if you have
They
a...
can go to the store and ask for some, leave their phone in the store.
Sure.
So, and then they can contact with that with some subcontractor.
Yeah, so Thane was asking if they were hiring
They put a phone
a job board. Yeah. If you call or go by the AMES store, if you have an AMES store or call an AMES store on the website, they can tell you who's looking for help. A lot of people come into our stores and say, hey, we're looking for help. So
They write it down the phone.
a job board. Yep. Nice. All right. Well, they're moving over to the other one now. They've already taped that one out. So again, I'm just going to finish up here in a minute, but thanks, Ray. Thank you, man. So you can see the other guys are coming behind. The Bazooka guys have moved on to another unit, and these guys are with the stilts and the bottom wiping out. We got a guy over here. He's wiping out the bottoms. So they'll kind of work their way out of this unit as a team, go to the next unit. So anyways, I'm going to flip this around. This is kind of how they do stuff here. They're really fast. This crew is really production oriented. They got this whole building to do today. They're going to put on 80 plus rolls of tape with the Bazooka, so it's very fast. I'm going to stop at this point right here. We want to thank you guys for joining us on this Facebook Live session. It's the first one for AMES. My name is Mark Wilson. I'm joined by Ronaldo Garza. We're going to be doing more of these, so pay attention to the Facebook page, watch us, and we'll be back with some other interesting topics and features. So keep an eye on the page for some interesting topics that we'll be covering as well. On job sites, in the store, different things, different products, a lot of different things. AMES has all your products, all the items you need for finishing drywall, hanging drywall in our locations. So that being said, thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, certainly go back, type in a question, and we'll get back to you. Thank you again for joining us. Have a great day. Bye.